Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Livu app, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial that how I got this mod which gave unlimited coins to me, and I already tried in my both devices, on my iPhone, which I'm going to show the steps today, and also in my Samsung, which I'm recording right now. If you want me to make a tutorial to show you the steps also with my Samsung for the Android users, just let me know in the comments below guys, and I'm going to make the tutorial also for the Android users. But the steps are the same for the both devices, so I presume that you're not going to face any problem, and I hope you're not going to face any problem for the Android users. Anyway, if you want me to, just let me know in the comments below guys, and I'm going to do also a tutorial for the Android. So I'm going to open the app real quick so you can see that what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you guys immediately that how you can do it to get it also this amount that I got it. All right. And it's pretty simple, and it's pretty easy guys, so just stick with the tutorial until the end, and you're gonna be able to get it same as me. So guys, before we start the loading process of the mod, which is going to give you this amount of coins, you just need to make a few changes in the settings. I'm going to show you right now. So practically go to the settings, general, press background upper fresh, make sure you're gonna select Wi-Fi mobile data. This is important because the loading process will not interrupt and will be faster and smoother. Okay, then you get back to settings. If you are using lower power mode guys, make sure you're gonna switch it off before you start this process, and after you finish you can turn it on again, lower power mode, if you prefer to use it, if you prefer to have it active. So these steps that I mentioned already right now, they are only for iOS users guys. For the Android users there is no need to make any changes in the settings. So all you have to do, you just need to go straight to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer, and you need to type about this website. Let me type for you guys, and I'm going to focus immediately. So this is the name of the website guys, you just need to enter on it, and you're going to face these different categories over here. Practically ours is a mod, so you can just press to the mods and scroll to find it out, or easy way, search in the searching bar, and here it is. All you have to do, press on the right side the button, and it will come description over here. As you can see, the last update, it was 18 March, and then press the blue sign download now, and it will start another process of the mod. So in the end of this process guys, you're gonna be able to get the mod and generate unlimited coins, same as me. So it might happen to some of you guys, depends on the region when you are and you are trying to make these steps. It might require an extra step to finish the mod, so practically all you have to do, you just need to complete the step is required, and you're going to be able to get it, the mod, and get unlimited coins, same as me. So guys, this is my video tutorial for the day. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before we leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel to support me to bring more videos for you guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next tutorial guys. Cheers.